Hello and welcome to the Caravan Company. This is a handover video on the Adria Altea. I'm going to show you some of the features and benefits and reminder of how the van works. So when you get onto site, you're going to put all four legs down, you're going to plug the mains in and have your battery connected. Your fresh water setup should look like this, with the submersible part beneath the water line before plugging into the side of the van. And this is your water heater exhaust. That's the cover just there. Technically you need to take it off when you use the gas, but as I said in the handover, best to take it off at the start of the holiday and put it on at the end. As we come round, you've got an external water point just there, external mains, mains gas point, and you've got an external mains electric point just there. Stepping into the van, our mains consumer unit is just up here where we're going to switch the volts on the left hand side, and then on the right we've got our water pump isolator. In here we've got our mains consumer unit, which has got our trip switches and the white test button so we can test to make sure there's mains electric coming in. This one here is the electric isolator for the heating system, which then links to this panel here, where you can choose 2,000, 500 or 1,000 watts, and we can change the temperature using 1 to 9 just there. Once the heating element has warmed up after about 10 minutes, we can then come down to this right hand side and we can either choose the manual fan, which is this one here, or the automatic, where it'll get up to temperature and then die down. If you'd want to, you just use the system using the gas. All we do, we push this in here, twist round, and we'll be able to, you can hear it ticking, and once it's lit, a little pilot light will be seen through this hole just here. The electric side uses a blown air system that goes around the entire caravan with vents like those, whereas the gas is just a radiant heater from this unit alone. The water system is operated, the hot water, on this left hand side using the gas, where we can push the grey catch down here and we can then change the temperature. A little green LED will come on when it's lit. If a red one comes on, it means it's failed, and it'll take roughly 15 to 20 minutes to warm up. The electric is nice and simple. Switch that one on there and that will draw water in from the outside. On both of these, obviously make sure that you've got plenty of fresh water in the water system. The fridge is operated on mains, gas or car battery. The mains is this one here. The gas, we can flick to the little pilot light here, and what we're going to do, we're going to hold this one in whilst pressing the igniter, and what you'll find is that black line there will move in line with this white one. That's how you know it's lit on the gas, sorry. And then that one there is the battery symbol, and that's the battery on the car. If you've got the right connections on the car, it will be able to connect to the car and it will maintain its temperature as best it can as you're towing and you've got electric coming through the vehicle. If when you pull into a service station you turn the ignition off, obviously the power will stop, so try not to open the door as often as possible. With your hob, oven and grill, you need to make sure this lid goes fully up. That will allow the gas to flow through. You've then got your grill, oven, and you've got your grill, and you've got your 3 rings just there. Inside here, this is your toilet. The blue button there is the rinse, the flush. The one on the right will light up when it's time to empty. When it's time to empty, you need to make sure that the grey handle, which is just round here, is in the closed position so that the cassette can slide out.